Welcome to our channel, The Astro Saga. Aries, today will be a good day for you. You will proceed with a dedication to your work. You will try to resolve family problems. The relationship will be strong. Romance will grow in love life. Hard work will bring color in connection with work. With luck, work will go on. Expenses will rise. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Taurus, today will be a little fruitful for you, so take care. There may be some concerns. Expenses will rise but income will also increase rapidly. You will get very good results in connection with the work. Family life will be happy. Spouse can be ill, take care of her health. Love life will be normal. Have a good day ahead. Gemini, today will be a good day for you. You will try your best to make our love life happy. The family life of married people will be normal. Spouse can get angry about something. You will get good results in connection with the work. Health will be fine. May you have the best day ahead. Cancer, today will be a good day for you. You will think of going away from some important work. Family life will be full of love and romance. People who are in love relationships will also have a good day. Do not pursue anything unnecessarily. Today is a bit weak in relation to work, so work carefully. Health will be fine. May you have a happy day. Leo, today will be a good day for you. You will give time to the family. You will get good results in connection with work. You may be promoted. Family life will be normal. Love life will be fine. May introduce your loved one to the family. Hope you have a great day. Virgo, today will be a good day for you. Life partner will give you full support. Your beloved will be happy to be with you in every work. Love life will be full of affection. Romance will also increase in the relationship. You will work hard in connection with work, yet you may be a little sad about anything. Expenses will increase but income will also be good. Have a fabulous day. Libra, today's day will be a little weak for you. Mental anxiety will remain. There will be the possibility of foot injury or sprain. Be careful. The income will be fine. Family life will be happy. Love will fluctuate in life. You will get good results in connection with the work. There will be happiness in the family. Have an amazing day. Scorpio, today will be a good day for you. Income will increase and expenses will be less. Family life will be fantastic. Love life will also be fine. Communicating with your beloved will enhance mutual understanding. Some important things will be discussed in the family. This is your day, make the most of it. Sagittarius, today will be a good day for you. You will focus fully on your work, yet there may be a disappointment in your mind about anything. Some family-related tension will be on your mind, which will lead to mental stress. Try to get out of it. Moderate expenses will be incurred. Income will be good. Friends, relatives, and neighbors will support you at work. Family life will be good. Love life will also go well. Have a very nice day. Capricorn, today will be a good day for you. You will get freedom from mental worries. Luck will support you. You will get success in work. Health will be good. Family life will be happy. Along with love and belongingness in life, romance will also be there. Despite the tension in love life, the mutual relationship will remain strong. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Aquarius, today will be a little weak for you, so be careful. Do not take any major work in hand. There will be mental anxieties. Unnecessary expenses and unwanted travel can occur. Expenses will increase. Will be very busy in connection with work. There will be tension in family life. Love life will go well. Keep smiling because this is the key to have a happy life. Pisces, today will be a good day for you. You will proceed with a dedication to your work. Married peoples will try to overcome life's problems. The relationship will be strong. Romance will increase in love life. Hard work will bring color in connection with work. With luck, work will go on. Expenses will increase. Have a successful day ahead and know that everything always works out in the end. Thank you for listening and please press the like button. Stay tuned for daily horoscope predictions. Kindly subscribe to our channel. May you have the best day ahead. Take care. See you tomorrow.